In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Sweatcoin app not working. So if you're trying to use your app, but it frequently crashes, or it is too slow, or it can't open totally, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of methods or steps you can take to solve this issue. In the first method, you need to go ahead and access the Sweatcoin app info page, and you can simply do this by long pressing on the app and then choose this option app info. Now this will open up info page. Scroll down here and look for clear data. Now if you go to storage here and tap on it, you can see you have quite a number of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose the second option, clear cache, and OK. From here, you can see a lot of data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone, and then this should have fixed your problems and you should have no issue. But should you still experience any other challenge, then you need to go ahead again on app info, and this time round tap on clear data, and then this time round choose the first option, clear all data, like this, and OK. At this point, you'll need to log in afresh for you to start using your app. But should this not work, then go to the next step, and that is to look for this app through Google Play Store or App Store here and find out if we have any update. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Sweatcoin app that might not be supported. So go ahead and update it to the latest version to start using it. At this point, now everything should be okay. But should you still have any other challenge, maybe the app keeps on crashing, then at this point you need to go ahead and uninstall the app completely and then install it afresh. This will help fix any issues related to bugs. So by using any of these methods, you should have your app running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.